Once again, guys, good afternoon. Uh, Today we are going to repair this Daikin 2 HP outdoor board. It has no power. That's why we are going to troubleshoot this one. See, I'm gonna on this switch on the breaker. You see. So there, the indoor pilot lamp is light light on. While this indoor board, there must be LED here. It must be light on if the outdoor board is working, but it is not. Now we are going to repair this indoor board and troubleshoot what's the problem. Okay, I will set up the breaker and check what's the problem of this. Okay. Now we are going to measure the AC voltage if there is a AC voltage coming in. See, AC voltage is here. There is a 228 volts at the tester, and we're gonna measure here at the power supply if there is a DC. So there's only 35 volt. It means power supply is not working because it has no supply to the relay. Now we are going to use the multimeter for checking the resistance of spare parts. Now let's gonna try this board. Here we'll see the switching regulator. This is the positive and this is the negative. It means there is no deflection, little bit deflection only. It means there is no short of this. Switching regulator is okay, but why it is not switching on? See, resistor, this one is okay. The resistor here, it's okay, but this one there's no deflection, there's no reading. There's no reading this one. There's no reading. Now it might be open. We will use digital whether it is open. So this is supposed to be, this is 1 ohms. It means this is a current resistor. This is open. This is the possibility that it is not working because there is no negative return. Now we're going to remove this and we will replace the resistor. Replace the resistor. So the value is 1 ohm. but I don't have this SMD resistor. We can replace this deep resistor. We'll find where is the resistor here that we can use. Might find the resistor here. See, we use ordinary resistor because we have no SMD resistor. We're going to solder this resistor if it is working. Let's see. Will solder very well. Now we're gonna try if it is working. We have to remove this and this. Now let's take a look if it is working. I will switch on the breaker. Let's observe. Okay, on the breaker. Then there is a power here. So guys, we are waiting to turn on the outdoor fan motor. Now it is turning on the outdoor fan motor. See, and this is the, we'll observe few minutes how it is working. Outdoor board now is working fine. Before it was dead set. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Until next video.